Unit 4 Travel and Communication. Chapter 11 Means of Communication. Learning Objective. Meaning of Communication. Mass communication. Various ways of communication. Meaning of communication. The act of sending and receiving messages is known as communication. We communicate in various ways. These are called means of communication. Long ago, pigeons were used to carry messages from one place to another. Then, messengers carried letters on horses' back. But this method took a very long time. Nowadays, we have many fast means of communication. Fact Corner. Writing is the oldest form of communication. Various ways of communication. Postal communication. It is the most popular method of communication. We write our messages on postcards, inland letters, or plain paper. This plain paper is put in a stamped envelope. The letter is dropped in the post box. Teachers' notes. Guide learners about new modes of communication. Define the meaning of communication and conveying messages to others. The postman collects the letters from here and takes them to the post office. Here the letters are sorted and sent to their destination. We must write the correct address on the letter. Fax machine. Fax machine sends and receives printed messages along telephone wires. Telephone. With the help of a telephone, we can talk to others at far-off places. This is the fastest means of communication. Cellular or mobile phones are used nowadays. These can be carried anywhere. Mass communication. When messages are sent to a large number of people at the same time, it is called mass communication. Radio, television, newspapers, magazines, and computers are means of mass communication. Radio. Radio was a very popular means of communication before television was invented. It is an audio means of communication. Television. Television is an audio-visual means of communication. Newspapers and magazines. Newspapers and magazines are used to send messages to large number of people at the same time. Computers. Today, computers also help people to communicate. With the help of internet, you can send messages through email to any part of the world. Let me answer. Have you ever written a letter to someone? Which is faster to call or message? Label the parts of the computer. Make your own email ID and write it here. Info bits. Nowadays, internet is used like a phone to talk and even see the person with the help of a web camera. Summary. The act of sending and receiving messages is known as communication. Postal communication is the most popular method of communication. When messages are sent to a large number of people at the same time, it is called mass communication. Radio, television, newspapers, magazines, and computers are means of mass communication. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. A. Which is the oldest form of communication? Writing, talking, gestures. Answer. Writing. B. Which of these is an audio means of communication? Radio, television, newspaper. Answer. Radio. C. Which of these is used to send printed messages? Fax machine, magazine, telephone. Answer. Fax machine. D. Which of these means is used to send email? Telephone, computer, magazine. Answer. Computer. B. Fill in the blanks. A. The act of sending and receiving messages is known as. Answer. Communication. B. Dash communication is the most popular method of communication. Answer. Postal. C. Dash phone can be carried anywhere. Answer: mobile. D. Dash is an audio-visual means of communication. Answer: television. B. Answer the following questions. A. What is a communication? Answer: the act of sending and receiving messages is known as communication. B. What are the means of communication? Answer: means of communication are letter, fax machine and telephone. C. What is the use of telephone? Answer: with the help of the telephone, we can talk to others at far off places. This is the fastest means of communication. D. What is fax machine? Answer: fax machine sends and receives printed messages along telephone wires. A. Write your address on the postcard. B. Color this post box.